right now we are playing Sing or Slime.
Oh, what?
So it's a game of finish the lyric, and we have a lot of slime. Like, I'm a savage, sassy, moody,
Ratchet.
Is that right?
That is wrong.
Nasty. It's nasty. No, I take it back. I take
The
it back.
correct word is nasty.
No.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God!
It got in my mouth.
Tastes like strawberries.
On a summer evening.
That is correct.
I got my driver's license last week.
Oh, and I know you're not perfect.
What the?
That is so wrong.
Oh no!
No!
Slime. 3, 2, 1, go!
I can't even see right now. Oh my God!
Jeremy.
This feels absolutely horrible.
So Jeremy and Pierson, you were the only ones that got. No.
Yeah.
No.